Hey, welcome back to My Life on a Budget. Today, y'all, is cash stuffing day, okay? So, let's go. Okay, so boom, y'all. If y'all stay tuned in, clearly, that means you want to go ahead and do this little cash stuffing with your girl, okay? First things first, let's get the pleasantries out the way, y'all. Shall we? Hey, y'all, hey. Welcome back to any and out of my returning budget bays. I'm so glad y'all decided to come back and chill with your girl. Y'all already know it is love, love, love as far as you guys are concerned. And if you are new around here, then hey y'all, hey, welcome, welcome, and welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by. If you enjoyed the video, please do not forget to hit the like button. Budget Buddy, as soon as you get on the video, please hit the like button. Yeah, I already know I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers by the end of the month, and hitting the like button definitely does help my channel float around out there so that we can get us some more budget bays, okay? So hit the like button if you like the video, but not only that, if you are new around here, not only hit the like button but also hit the subscribe button. Yes, I would love to have you come and join the budget bays. Okay, so look, y'all, let's talk about it. Y'all know when y'all see this setup, what's happening, we about to have some money on, baby. So let's move some stuff out of the way. Today, I think we are doing $390. I actually need to swap because the bank didn't have any 50s. I ended up going to the bank and it was super packed. So I ended up using the ATM. And the ATM, which I didn't know, let me customize my money, girl. That's the first time I ever had that happen, y'all, where I could customize my money. So I kind of liked it there. But the only thing that was is that they didn't have everything. Like, they didn't have 10s and they didn't have 50s, but they had 100s. They had 5s. They had 1s, but they did not have any 50s. They didn't have any 10s, okay? So I had to work with what I worked with. I knew that I did get some 50s the last time I was at the bank. So I knew that I was going to be able to kind of break the 100s. So that's why I went ahead and got those, all right? So let's count this money up. I also got some money that need to go back to the bank, too. But we'll do that tomorrow. All right, so it should be $390. Okay, so 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, and 90, okay? So that is the money. And like I said, they didn't have no 10s, so everything that we thought was gonna be like 10s, we'll just do 5s, y'all. Okay. I hope this video finds everybody doing well. I think I said that already at the beginning, but girl, I'm trying to hurry up and do this video real quick because my friends are on their way. We're about to start our fajita and margarita day. It is March the 14th, and it's also my 11th year anniversary with Papa. 11 years together, not 11 years married. We'll be actually 10 years married at the end of this year. December the 5th is our wedding anniversary. So we'll be celebrating 10 years married at that particular time. But for right now, today is our 11-year anniversary of us being together. So yay to us. All right, so let's talk about it, you guys. Now, I do have out my pens. We're going to start with groceries because I did go to the grocery store. I actually just left the grocery store today. I spent $75.53 at the grocery store, so about $76. Let's see how much money we have left. You know, we're going to take the change out and put the change in our change drawers. But we're going to see how much change we have left. That's the change. Ooh, it's almost 5 o'clock. Yeah, I'm way behind, y'all. I want to get my slushy machine started at 4:30. Hello. Good thing it don't take that long. Okay. So, let's move on. All right. So, last time I checked, I should have had $255 last time I checked. But, of course, I told y'all that we used some of that money. So, we definitely are not going to have $255. Right now, we have 20, 40, 60. Excuse me, 20, 40, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. Okay, so let's take out the $4. We only got $60 left, y'all. So today we're going to be adding $115. We're going to be doing, yeah, we're going to do 2 50s. And we were supposed to be doing a 10 and a 5, but we'll do 3 5s. All right. So 51, 5, 10, and 15. So it's actually going to be 51, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75. 175 is how much we have. Oh, so we had 255, and I only had, what did I say, 60? 255 minus 60. So I ended up spending $195. And that left me with 60. And then today, we're adding $115. Okay, so that's going to leave me with 175. Alright, let's move on to gas. Now, I know gas does have money in it, but we did lower that gas a bit. I am going to need gas again. We do have money from Papa, but Papa's car is not in rotation right now, so we're just keeping that money. If at the end of the month we still have it, we will use it towards debt. He is in the process of thinking about getting a brand new car, so it'll probably come with a full tank of gas. But if we need gas, we will have that money to give him. But if we don't use it, we're going to do what we do, okay? So let's count how much money we have in here for now. It seemed like a lot, but that's because I haven't given him his money yet. But if we have to give him money, we will. If we, so that's just that. So 20, 40, 50, 55, 60. No, yeah, 20, 40, 50, 55, $60 in there now. So we're going to say that we subtracted 30, which left us with 60. And then we're going to be adding 80. So 20, 40, 60, and 80. Plus 80. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 10, 15, 20. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 35, 40. Okay. I'm like, what the? Okay, so we actually have 140 in there. All right. Now, out to eat, we still had our $10 in the out to eat budget, y'all. Oh, actually, we had $20 in there. Come on, out to eat. Again, at the end of the month, if I haven't used this, we will be putting it towards debt. But I think I am going to use it because I'm actually going to go out to eat with my best friend. So next week, we're going to kind of stuff out to eat a little bit more. And we'll use cash instead of using my card. I'm trying to figure out, am I going to use my card and then use this money toward debt? Because I could use my personal account. We're going to go to a little Mexican spot. But we're going to just add $5 to this for now. So that's going to give us $25. So we add $5 to that. So eating out. I'm not really eating out right now. I've been kind of cooking, trying to cook. So yeah. All right. So nails and feet. Now nails and feet, we already had $50 in there from nails and feet. So we're going to add another 50. Because it is going to be time for me to get my nails and feet done soon. So we're going to add another 50. That's going to give us $100. That'll give us $100 for our nails and feet. We will be getting our nails and feet done soon. I ain't even thinking about it right now, child. Maybe about the end of the month sometime, girl. I don't know. So yeah, and then lawn service. I told y'all the lawn. My papa said we're going to need to get our lawn done. So the man going to be coming next week. So we're going to add 25. We got 25 in there right now. We're going to add another 25 so that when he comes, we'll have money to pay him. So we're just going to add a 20 and a 5. And that's going to give us $50 for that. 24 to 45, 50. Now, we're going to move on to miscellaneous. Now, miscellaneous, we had been feeding miscellaneous. Miscellaneous had a high 10. We're going to give it $5. And again, same situation with this. If at the end of the month we have it, we will put it toward it. Okay. Now we're moving on to my big boy King. King is going to get $10. King already had 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95. Had $195. We're going to give Big King $10 more. So he going to have 205, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 205. I told y'all we trying to get him up to 250 before we start spending on him. But his bed that I'm going to buy him costs $179, okay? So he got 205. And then lastly, Amazon Prime. Remember, Amazon Prime is not due until June or something, or July, whatever. So it currently got $15. We're going to add $5 more to it. All right, and that's going to give us 20. We only need to get to $150 to fully fund that. So we're doing pretty good on that. All right, so that is all for our envelopes that we carry around. Let's move to our long-term savings envelope. We'll do petty cash first. Last time I checked in petty cash, I think, remember we fully funded petty cash. Well, not fully funded it, but we gave it, actually petty cash should have had $520 in it. We had, last time we did our income snacks, we had added money to it to get it up to $500. So we're halfway to our first goal of $1,000. But then last week we added $20 to it. So right now we should have $520. Today we're going to add 20 more. So let's make sure we have the money that we're supposed to have. So 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 50, 5, 10, 15, 20. So 520 is what we have. We're going to be adding another 20. So we got 520. Now we're going to have 540. In our petty cash fund. So our little petty cash is getting on up there. We're trying to get to our first $1,000 I told y'all. So 314, we're added another 20, which is going to bring us to $540 in our petty cash. Getting closer and closer to $1,000. I'm super excited. Okay, so my car maintenance fund, last time I checked car maintenance should have had $100 still in it. So we're going to be using 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100. We're going to be adding $5 in car maintenance, so it'll have 105. And again, we're going to be using this for, oil changes, inspection stickers, anything light like that. Nothing that's going to cost us too much money. So right now we have 105 in our car maintenance fund, so that's pretty good. Okay, let's move on to Colorado. Colorado is coming up. No, we're gonna be in Colorado the weekend before, I think around 420. We'll be there around 420. So let's move to Colorado. Last time we checked, Colorado had $650. So 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 20, 40, 60, 80, 650. Okay, so 650. We're gonna be adding $10 to Colorado. So it'll be 660. Alright. Let's move on to new cars. You know, we're starting to beat that up. New car should have $155 in it. But we're going to give it $50 because we're beefing that up. So it should have 55, 20, 40, 60, 81, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're going to add another 50. So it'll be 155. 51, 20, 40, 60, 82, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 205. 205 is how much we have in our new cars. 51, 20, 40, 60, 82, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so 205. I haven't been keeping track of my stuff, but I'm supposed to have 205 in here, y'all. And I done missed. I'm going to have to go back and put the dates on that, but we just updated that. Now, lastly, we're going to be doing our home upgrades. Now, our home upgrades, the last time we checked, I thought that I beefed home upgrades up. So we got 1, 2, 53, 54, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 405 in there right now, and we're going to add the last $10 in it. So instead of 405, we're going to have $415 in our new home upgrades, okay? So 03, let's see, 06, I must have put $10 because that's going to be 415. Oh no, that's today. That's today. Okay, so yeah, that's 415. All right, so $415, you guys. That's my last little situation that I have going on in my long-term folder. Now, let's talk about this little money we have left right here for our game. 1, 2, 3, 4, y'all. Let me see. Did I have any extra money left? Y'all know I'm trying to do the big numbers. No. So last time we only had $160. We didn't have no extra money in there. I don't have a $4 square. And I really don't want to use my numbers up. I really am trying to get to the 10 and the 15, y'all. So we're going to just save that $4 until next time. So let's just roll it over until next time, y'all. And then that way we can go ahead and end this particular video, y'all, because it's getting late. I got to go. All right. So if you have made it to the end of this particular video, thank you so much for making it to the end of my cash stuffing video. I greatly appreciate you. If you enjoyed the video, please do not forget to hit the like button. If you are new around here and you enjoyed the video, not only hit the like button, but also hit the subscribe button, okay? I would love to have you come and join the budget bites. Until next time, you guys, my life on a budget. Bye.